Hopefully the gasket's good, huh? How come your gasket just stayed on there? That shit gotta be gay. Gotta give it that little hop too or something. On today's episode, where the extension? Just gotta torque it down. Where that electric on, son?
It's right there.
You got me working like a dog. I want to get a pipe first before you fucking dug it in. It's in go mode. I think it's in go mode.
It's something to take the edge off. Ow.
Alright, now I gotta plug it. It's still dripping, bro. Clean that little bitch up. And then just cross thread the fuck out of this shit.
What? Where'd you learn that? Ew. It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Red line?
Oh, shit. You guys want to make sure you're using 4-stroke oil in these motorcycles. I've seen a lot of people, they put the automotive oil. You're going to burn your rings out. Yeah, man, I rebuilt a couple of them. It never really goes as planned. You get about a weekend out of an Amazon one. Now I went 2,000 miles past my oil change just to let the inside of the motor kind of get the natural break in and scar it up and push a little more power out of this bike.
You really, it's like it opens up the cylinder.
Yeah. Like where your exhaust manifold comes out, it's good to eat it up right there. It's probably leaking. Now we don't really measure how much oil we put in these bikes because it's a Honda. If you got more than a quart,
It'll come out of here.
You ain't gonna have no issues.
It'll come out of here if you have anything over 1.6.
Yeah.
Now we don't have 1.6. They both won. So if you do the math, so that's 3 divided by 2. That's 1.5. So we both got probably 1.5. Then we got some on our hands. So I'd probably say 1.47.
And then you got a fact.
So we probably got about 6, 7 into it. Should I connect the GoPro for some videos now?
Draw a little bike vlog.
I have the GoPro mount on my bike that's right here.
Oh yeah, T. I'd say she's right at the line, man. Make sure everything's still working. Put it in neutral. Now you want to let your oil pump circle through a little bit.
All right. Hey, you know what route, huh? Come on, Bubba. Bro, this poor mirror. Breaking in that new oil, boy. Bro said they wanted some camera time. Hold up. Show me something. Whoa! Hold on. Woo! Hey, so we stop at stop signs though. Not this one. Alright, y'all. Crackhead pass. Ooh, she wet back here, boys. Ooh. Mud hole, whoa. Ah! My son only got one brake and it's on the back. Y'all ready? Hold up. How it go? How it go? Like and subscribe to the video. Make sure to comment if you want to see more. Drive it like you stole it. Mink, give me that.
Still live after. And the day we hit them hills, I met the real devil. He tell you them fucks you care about, don't even care about you. You don't feel like it's never